Okay guys, this is the Camry hybrid. Okay, so this is the engine using big EGR. So okay, this is the high voltage area here, inverter converter here. This is the inverter converter, and if you look at, guys, there is now it's electronic brake already. So since this engine is hybrid, not every time the engine is running, so it uses electronic booster. So before, the brake system used the vacuum coming from the engine, but this hybrid engine, okay, hybrid car, sorry, so it uses electronic booster. So the location is there near in the brake master here, under there. Okay, so the engine ECU is here. Okay, so hybrid Camry.